Well, hey, good morning, friends. All right, I woke up this morning craving French toast. Only, John and I are trying to eat better, so we don't have any bread in the house. And as you know, that is a main ingredient for French toast. But then I remembered on the magical interwebs, there's some recipes out there for what they call an egg loaf, which they claim has kind of the same taste as French toast. Now, I'm highly doubtful of this, but as you guys know, I'm willing to give it a try. So I'm going to use my handy dandy mixer. I'm going to my mixer, the one that says Hamilton Beach and looks like it's from the probably late 70s, early 80s. Why, yes, I do own this. I'm going to sidebar for just a moment. Guys, here's the thing. Several years ago, my mother says to my sister and I, hey, I'm going to do a little decluttering in my kitchen. You guys want to come see if there's anything that you want? And without hesitation, my sister and I immediately respond, absolutely we do. Absolutely we do. Because almost every Gen Xer will tell you there are fewer places than you will find the most amazing treasures than in a Gen Xer's mother's kitchen. Now, I can tell you some other stories, but I'm going to get back to my egg loaf here, and we'll tell more stories later, but I will say this. You would have to pry this from my cold, dead hands before I would give it to anybody, and quite frankly, you probably will, because this thing is probably going to work way longer than this thing. All right, so here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to take my 6 eggs. I've got some cream cheese. I put some vanilla flavoring. I'm going to mix it all up. I'm going to pour it in my egg pan here. I'm going to put this in the oven at 350 for 45 minutes-ish, and then we'll come back and do a taste test. All right, see you shortly. All right, I'm back. So my loaf came out so pretty. Let's see if you can see that. All right, ready for the taste test? Now, I have some sugar-free, low-calorie syrup as well, because in my mind, I'm already convinced myself this is totally gonna taste like French toast. So look, it came out really nice. Now the consistency, still pretty eggy, actually. So let's see, let's see what this tastes like. All right, now remember, this is egg, and it's called an egg loaf. So it's egg, cream cheese, I put some vanilla, smells magnificent. All right. Okay. Who are we kidding? Nothing tastes like French toast except French toast. However, it's probably the syrup, but if I shut my eyes and just go to an imaginary place, it totally tastes like French toast. But in the interim, it does have an egg flavor, but of course cheese makes everything better. So I'm going to call this a win, even though my craving was French toast. This will at least cure my craving for today. And again, keto friendly with probably the mild exception of this. So there's 5 calories in 2 tablespoons and 3 grams of carbs when you utilize your syrup. And of course, with your egg and your cream cheese, pretty decent replacement for French toast. Again, if you go to that imaginary place, but I'm going to call it a win. It came out really nice. It's just a really nice loaf, cut really nice. And now I have a really great breakfast. All right, guys, have a great rest of your day, and we'll catch up later.